So today we launched an application called Candidate Pitch at candidatepitch.com. This is an application for recruiters to create candidate summaries really, really quickly. It's also for job seekers who want to present themselves in the best light to employers or create that summary section on their resume even faster. So I'm at candidatepitch.com. I've been getting a lot of questions about how it works and to see it in action. And so I wanted to do a quick demonstration. So I'm on Candidate Pitch. I sign in. That would be nice. Here we go. Ready to go. How this works is we upload a resume. So we upload either a PDF or a Word resume. You can also very easily go to LinkedIn, either for a candidate's profile or your own, and just download a PDF and use it that way. Sometimes the easiest way to do it. So I'm going to go to LinkedIn here. Here's my profile. I'm going to save to a PDF. And now I have that in my download. So we're going to upload the file. Here it is. You can select the amount of words in the profile. I'll just keep it at 300. Sorry about that, my phone is going off. And in the background right now, our AI is essentially doing the hard work of creating the profile. It's powered by ChatGPT, which you've probably heard of. It's an AI product by OpenAI. So now what we get in the output is a great professional profile about me in this case. So you see this is the profile. We can look through it here and see how we like it. We can also tune it very quickly and easily, and this is a pretty important feature as well. So the first thing we can do is change the tone in lots of different ways. We can make it more persuasive, professional, impressive, friendly, etc. I'll change it to professional, and then you can change the point of view here. We use first person and third person essentially for job seekers and recruiters. So in the case of a job seeker, you're talking about yourself. In the case of a recruiter, you're talking about your candidates, and so you'd want to use third person. So let's keep it at third person. I'll keep the word count the same, and we're going to rewrite it. Then we're going to have another chance to tweak it even further, and then save it to our profile. So it's working in the background. And then the next step is we can tune it according to a job. So now let's pretend that we are a job seeker and we're tuning it to a particular job we're applying to, or a recruiter who you're trying to present a candidate in the best light relative to a job. So here we have my updated profile. It's a little more professional and has covered some of the articles I've written, etc. You can see that they've tuned it to be what they think is more professional. But let's go to the next step so that we can tune to a job. So my job title is a COO. So I went to Indeed and looked up a COO job. I'm probably grossly underqualified or overqualified depending for this position. But I'm going to copy and paste this job description into here, job description to match. So I'm going to paste. All right, so here are the requirements. Now, what it's going to do is essentially match that profile to the job requirements. Now, we're working on this and it's getting better. We're trying to have that balance between accuracy and kind of being promotional, like sort of playing up how you match this job. So if we looked at, we could probably do a text compare, but you can see that they emphasize business management and day-to-day operations, budgets and financial reporting and project management. So it's really taken my profile and added to it relative to the job. So did a pretty darn good job matching me to that position. So now we're going to finish up. So now we have our profile. We can do a few things here. We can copy the text, of course, copy and paste to another application or an email. We can also export it into a PDF, a Word doc, or text, and then we can also save it to our profile. If we save it to our profile, I'll save it as Miles, and it's now in my saved profiles up in the menu. So there we go, and we're going to create a new profile. So that is Candidate Pitch. If you are a recruiter spending a lot of time writing these candidate summaries all day long, just like I did way back in the day when I was a technical recruiter, I'd encourage you to try it out. I would love to hear from you, so please in the comments section tell me your experience with it, or just ask me any questions. So again, go to candidatepitch.com, and we'd love to see you there. Thanks so much.